The City of Denton's home chemical collections facility is now accepting styrofoam, thanks to a new machine that compacts it for recycling.
But that's why we're encouraging people not to throw it in their trash, to bring it to us, and that we can put it into the form that we can recycle it.
But some residents were already ahead of the game. Before the program was even promoted, about 6,000 pounds of styrofoam was collected.
This is accumulated over maybe 8 or 10 months of just diverting it out of the waste stream, because it's not allowed in the City of Denton's recycling waste stream.
Staff observed a steady stream of styrofoam being dropped off daily, proof that residents are eager to keep it out of the landfill. Now with the new densifier, they finally can.
I think it's a more effective, efficient way of diverting the styrofoam from the landfill, and I think it could keep up with the load and the amount that we get.
The machine compacts 50 bags of styrofoam like these into just one, meaning a lot more material can then be shipped and recycled.
Now we're going through the process of emptying all those bags that we collected over that time period and catching up and beginning the styrofoam take-back program.
The densifier uses a cold compaction method, so there's no heating or chemicals involved.
We simply break it up into pieces and then we force it into a shape.
They're accepting clean, rigid packing styrofoam like the type that comes in TV or appliance packaging to be dropped off at home chemical collections.
We're saving airspace in the landfill, and we're recycling it. This is 100% recyclable. They'll turn this into more styrofoam or some polystyrene product of some sort. There are a lot of pluses to it. We haven't found a minus yet.
In Denton, I'm Kimberly Barroteran.